All right, so now we're going to warp this type a little bit more than it already is. So I want you to hit the letter Z and zoom on in. And we're going to move this over. Hey, look at that. I got phones. I missed that. I'm going to just go to the text and add in a P right there. Okay, cool. All right, so now what I want you to do is I would like you to select the what's new with music, and then choose warp text from the menu. So we're going to right click over here on the layers panel and pick warp text. Now it says could not complete your request because the layer type uses a full bold style. Remove attribute and continue. Yeah, we'll do that just for the moment. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to warp this text. I want you to click on none and select wave. And you'll see it automatically adds in a little bit more of a wave to it. So I want you to actually just go back and forth and play around with the settings so you can just see what this does. Okay, with the horizontal distortion, see, look at that. That's kind of neat, hey? And then the vertical distortion. Whoa. All right, so I want you to please set this up. So bend is 33. Hit tab to drop down to the next one. Horizontal distortion is -23. And the vertical distortion is +5. There it is right there. So 33, -23, and 5. Say okay. Super. And then I want you to do the same thing to all three. With what's new with games and what's new with phones. And that's it. That is how to warp text.